Okay, so recently my husband realized that I had my sewing notions everywhere all over the house. So he decided, hey, what a great idea to get a little sewing container. And he got one that is very much like my mother's. And as you can tell, you can lift it up and carry it, and it's not very heavy, but it's a nice square size. And I really do love the quality of the material that it's made from. And once you lift up the top, you notice all these nice little pockets, which I really like. And then of course we have this little pincushion portion, which is really nice because once you take out this and you take out your little pincushions, you can put some things here, and it's very easy for you. So when you're actually doing sewing and having to pin things up, it's very close. You just take it, and it's just a nice little touch. I love that up in the top. Plus, I love little details of the lace and different things that go around the portion of the top as well as the beginning of the box. Not to mention the fact that you have a nice organizational piece here, which they give you all these nice little notions to start you off. And of course I have more I have to find. But then when you look inside the box, you see the depth of it and all the things that you can keep in there. So it's just the right size, as well as everything fits very nicely on top. And you can put the lid down, it clasps with this very nice clasp. And then you can go ahead and pull up the handle and carry it very nicely to wherever you need. So this is a must-have sewing box for every woman who is a beginner, because it's just the right size for you to keep everything you need.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.